Welcome to the class of estimation, costing and specification students. So, we are into the topic which is called estimation of earthwork in the road portion, and we have already seen two numerical examples based on this topic. Let us see the last numerical example on this earthwork in road estimation topic. In previous problem, and the first problem which we have solved, it was only the portion of the road which involved only cutting phenomena. In the next numerical example, there were both cutting and filling phenomena included in this in the problem. So, let us see the third numerical example based on this topic and what all things revolves around this. Let us see that. Okay. So, we are in earthwork in road construction and we are solving a numerical example on this topic. So, the question is as follows. The question given to us is, calculate the quantities of earthwork for a portion of road for a length of 300 meters with the following data. The data is given to us. The formation level at chainage 0 is 170 and the road is in rising gradient of 1 in 150. The width of formation level is 10 meters and side slope is 1.5:1 in embankment. Embankment means it is an banking or filling, and 1:1 in the cutting. This point has to be noted down over here. This point is important, as the side slope which we call S:1 is 1.5:1 in embankment. Embankment means banking. The meaning of embankment is banking. Okay. And 1:1 is in cutting, and the chainage levels are given to us. So, first of all, let us write these two given questions, the chainage and ground level. Okay. The ground level formation, the formation of ground level and chainage into our question. Let us write this. Okay. So, the first column will be of chainage. Chainage and ground level. Look at the question and fill this data. What we need to do? We need to fill this data. At chainage 0, okay, what is our ground level? Our ground level is 171.1. See, this data we need to fill. At chainage 0, our ground level is 171.1. At chainage 30, it is 171.2. Next, our chainage is 30, 171.2. Similarly, chainage at chainage 60, it is 170.9. Okay, at chainage 90, it is 171.2. At chainage 90, we have 171.2. Okay. At chainage 120, 170.8. At chainage 150, we have 170.7. Okay. At chainage 180, we have 170.6. 170.6. Okay. We have more 210, 240, 270 and 300. So, let us write in another slide. Chainage again. Chainage, ground level. Okay. We have completed till 180. After 180, it is 210. For chainage 210, 170.4. It is all given in the question. Okay. At chainage 240, it is 169.1. At chainage 270, we have 169.5. Okay. At chainage 300, we have 173.7. What we have? 173.7. So, these are nothing but our ground levels. Okay. How to get our formation level? What it is given? The formation level at chain edge 0 is 170. How much it is? Next our column is formation level. At 0, at chain edge 0, what is our formation level? 170 is the formation level. Okay. Next, formation level. At chain edge 0, it is 170. And what trend it is following? Rising gradient of 1 in 150. Rising means we need to add 1 in 150. Rising gradient of 1 in 150. How to calculate this? Okay, how to calculate this? What need to be added? For 1 meter, it is how much? For 150 meters, there is a dip in 1 meter. So, for 30 meters, there is a dip of how much? That we need to solve it. Okay. So, what is our rising gradient? 1 in 150, and it is rising gradient. Rising gradient. So, what does it mean? For 150 meters, for every 150 meters, there will be a rise of 1 meter, rise of 1 meter. So, for 30 meter, as you know that what is our chain edge? Our chain edge is 30 meter. For 30 meters, it is how much? So, rising or rise is nothing but 30 by 150, which is nothing but 0.2 meters. How much it is? 0.2. Okay. So, what we need to do as rising gradient? So, what will be the formation level for 30 chain edge? It is 170.2, and what it is for 60? 170.4, and this goes so on, and this goes so on. So, what we need to do? We need to write this 170.2. Okay, rising gradient. So, we need to add. If it was falling gradient, what we need to do? We need to subtract this. It is 171.2. Just we need to add 0.2 to the values. 171.2, 171.4. This is formation level. Okay. So, 171.4, 171.6, 171.8, 172.0. Okay. So, next, after chain edge, ground level and formation level, what we have, what is the next thing which we have is, next we need to find depth. Okay. Next, our next step is to find the depth. Okay. Which is basically the difference between these two. Okay. How to find out the depth? Depth in cutting, which will be there. The cutting depth we will write it over here. Filling depth we will write it over here. Okay. How to find the depth? Just to subtract that. See, this ground level is 171.1, formation level is 170. This value is lower than formation level is lower than ground level. So, it comes under cutting. If the formation level is more, it will come on filling side. Okay. What we need to do? We need to cut this. Okay. As 171.1 is there. So, we need formation level 171. What we are doing? We are cutting it. So, if we subtract this 171.1 minus 170, how much it is? 1.1. How much it is? 1.1. Similarly, it is also 1. Okay. 0.5. Subtract it. 170.9 minus 170.4. Okay. The next 171.2 minus 171.6, it is how much? 0.6. 170.8 minus 170.8, here it comes 0. What it comes over here? 0. Now look at over here, 170.7 minus 171.0. Here formation level is more than the existing ground level. So, for existing ground level, to get our formation level, what we need to do? We need to fill. So the depth of fill should be written over in this column. Okay, the depth of filling should be written in this column. Okay, so what it is, 170.7 minus 171. So it is depth will become automatically 0.3. Here 170.6, 171.2 minus 170.6. Here also the depth is more. Here also what we have? Here also we have more depth. So we write it in the filling column 0.6. Okay. After writing this, here again the formation ground level is 170.4, formation level is 171.4. So what we need to do? We need to fill this. Okay, this is in cutting, this is fill. So let us write it in fill. How much? 1. 170.4 minus 171.4. Next, again look at over here, 169.1 and 171.6. The difference is 2.5. What we need to do? We need to fill it over here. 171.8, 169. How much it is? 2.3. What it is? 2.3. Done. Are you getting my point? Then next, here what happens is, again it is in, see, 173.7, 172. Again it comes back to cutting thing. Again it comes back to cutting thing. Okay, as here formation level. So at this point between 270 and 300, there is one more station for cutting and filling. There is a one more station at cutting and filling. Here it is exactly on station 120. Station 120 is also the transition point, but here it is in between 270 and 300. So there will be one extra station which we need to find it out. Here it is exactly on station 120. So we need not worry about this. What happens? We need not worry about this. So how to get this area? Area is nothing but average length dw. Okay, how to find the area? Area, the formula for area is, our next step is to find the area. Okay, area in meter square, that is for cutting. Okay, area in, basically what we need to find out? Area in cutting as well as area in filling also. Okay, area in cut and area in filling thing. How to find the area? Let us see. Area, what was the formula for area? Total area is equal to, okay, rectangle area plus, what was the formula for this area thing? Okay, dw into b, which is nothing but dw is average height into this b is formation width plus s into dw square, s into dw square. This is nothing but side slope. This was side slope. Okay. So now for the first one, for chainage 0, there won't be a dw. So the area will be nothing. Okay. So there won't be any area as well as length, and this is volume in cutting, in filling. So there won't be anything for this first chainage. Now let us come back to our second chainage. When we come back to our second chainage, what is the length? Average length 1.1 by 1. So let us take this. Okay, what is the average length? Average length, if we substitute the total area, 1.1 plus 1 by 2 into formation width given is 10 plus s. What is s? As this is a cutting thing. Okay, what is the side slope in cutting? 1:1, s is to 1. So s becomes how much? S becomes 1 into 1.1 plus 1 by 2 whole square. So if we substitute this, if we solve this, 1.1 plus 2, it becomes how much? 2.1 by 2. How much it is? 2.1 by 2 into 10 plus 1 into, okay, how much it is? 2.1 by 2 whole square. If we sum this all, our area will be how much? 12.21. How much it is? 12.21. Are you getting my point? Okay. So what we need to write? We need to write it in the cutting thing. 12.21. Okay. There won't be a filling one. What is the length? Chain edge is our 30 meter. And so if we multiply this area into this length, will get the volume, which is equal to 348.15 meter cube. How much will get? 348.15 meter cube. Similarly, now which two lengths we need to take? 1 and 0.5. Okay. So what will be the area? Again substitute it over here, dw into b plus s into dw square, s into dw square. What happens over here? What will be the average? Now what length we will be taking? 1 plus here 1 plus 0.5 by 2 into 10 plus 1 into 1 plus 0.5 by 2 whole square. Okay, this is for chain edge 30. For chain edge 30, this will be the area. On solving this, we will get the value as 11. How much we will get? The value as 11. Okay. Again, the chain edge length is 30 meters. So the resultant will be 243 volume. If we multiply this area into volume, this is meter square. This is also meter square. Okay. So if we multiply this, 243.75 meter cube will get. Similarly, for station 90, okay, the area is, if we take the average of 0.5 and 0.6 and we substitute it into the area formula, we will get 6.36 meter square. Okay. Again, the length is 30 meters. If we multiply this all, we will get 174.15. How much we will get? 174.15 meter cube. Now look at over here. At 120 there is a intersection, as this 170.8, both ground level and formation level is one and the same. Again let us take this 0.6 and 0 average, it is 0.3, and if we substitute, okay, and we substitute in the formula, so as there won't be a fill, the area of cutting and filling won't exist. Okay, the area of cutting and filling won't adjust, just there will be a 30 meters thing. Okay, 30 meters thing. So what will be the volume for this? The volume for this is nothing but 30 into this 0.3 into 30 meters, that is nothing but average depth. Okay, what will be the average depth? 0.3 will be the average, 0 plus 0.6. Here, as the average depth is 0.3, if we fill in the area thing, how much it will be? The area will be around 3.09. How much it is? 3.09. If we multiply 3.09 with 30 meter, we will get approximately 92.7 meter cube. How much we will get? 92.7 meter cube. As now there is a intersection point, now the cutting is changes into filling. Okay. Now we need to take this average 0.0 and 0.3, it will be nothing but 0.15. If we take the 0.15 the average length, okay, and we substitute in this formula, now here the side slope value will changes, it is 1:1 for cutting it was. Okay. Now we have 1.5:1 for banking. for banking. So now here this one value will changes to 1.5. How much it is? One value is changes for 1.5. So if we solve this, how much? 0, 0 and 0.3, we have two lengths. Okay, 0 plus 0.3 by 2 into formation width is 10 plus side slope is 1.5 into 0 plus 0.3 divided by 2 whole square. This will be the area at, what is the chain edge? Area at 150. This is nothing but area at 150 chain edge. Okay. If we solve this, the value will be, the area of chain edge at it will be, that is nothing but area for filling 3.15 meter square. How much it is? 3.15 meter square. On multiplying with 30 meters, we will get it around 94.5. How much it is? 94.5 in the filling volume. In filling volume. Okay. The next, at station 180, again we need to take this average depth of 0.3 and 0.6, and we substitute in the area formula. We will get it the approximate length as area as 6.54. How much we will get? 6.54 meter square. The area is 6.54 meter square. Okay. And the length is our 30 meters. How much it is? The length is 30 meters. So the area is around 145.12. How much it is? 145.12 meter cube. Okay. Are you getting my point? So this value is for the banking value. This is the value of banking values. It all comes under the filling thing. Okay. At the station 210, when we come to our station 210, what happens over here? Here the average depth is 1 and the previous was 0.6. If we take the average depth, it is how much? 0.6 plus 1 by 2. Okay. 1.6 by 2, it is approximately 0.8, and we substitute into the area formula. We will get the area as area. This is in cutting, this is in filling, this is basically length, and we have volume. Volume in cutting and we have volume in filling. Okay. So if we substitute that, we will get the area of cutting as 11.5 meters and the length is 30 meters. How much it is? 30 meters. And the volume in filling becomes how much? 345 meter cube. How much it becomes? 345 meter cube. Again, now let us take these two, average of two depths 1 and 2.5, and let us put it in the formula for area. Okay. If we put it in the formula for area, the value will be around 34.37. How much it is? 34.37. Okay. And the average length is 30 meters. If we multiply this, what will be the answer? 34.7, okay, plus 34.7 into 30, 1041, okay, 1041 meter cube basically. Okay. At again 270th station, what happens over at 270th station is, let us take the average depth. Average depth will be the average of 2.5 and 2.3, and if we substitute into the formula, and if we substitute it into the formula, we will get it around 30.93. How much it is? 30.93 meter square. We will get it as 30.93 meter square. The area comes under meter square, and here we have an interchanging station. See, if we look at over here, from the chain is 270 and 300, there is a transition from filling to cutting. Earlier the same transition was at 120th station from filling to cutting, but what happens over here is, here there was a transition only at exact station, which is nothing but 120, but here it is in between 270 and 300 station. So, what we need to do by the methods of similar triangle, we need to find out at what exact point by introducing one more station. Let us call that station as station X. Okay. Let us call the station as station X, and we need to determine what we need to determine. We need to determine the exact length at which this cutting and filling profile is matching with each another. Okay. Again we have 30 meters of length. If you multiply this, it will be around 30.93 into 30 meters. It is 927.9 meter cube. 927.9 meter cube. Okay, 927.9 meter cube. When we talk about this X station, let us assume this X station over here. If we assume this X station over here, there is a station 270 and there is some interchanging point. At this point we have station X, and this is 270th station. Okay. And this is our 300 station. Okay. In between there is some interchanging point. Here the depth is how much? 2.3. At 270 we have 2.3, and at 1.7 we have about, at 300 station we have the depth about 1.7. By the similar triangles method, what we need to determine is what is the position of X. We need to determine the position of X. So, by this similar triangles method, what we need to do is, let us find the value of X, which is nothing but X by 30. Let us take this X distance as X, and this becomes automatically 30 minus X. Okay. So, by similar triangles method, X by 30 minus X is equal to 2.3 by 1.7. So, from this you will get the value of X as 17.2 meters. How much you will get? The value of X as 17.2 meters. So, what we need to include over here? Our next station, which is at 287.2. What we can say? 270 plus 17.2. This X station is 287.2. Okay. So, here what we will get? Only we will get the length. What we will get? Length. The length is how much? 17.2. 17.2 meters. Okay. Are you getting my point? The length will be 17.2 meters. And how to get the volume? Okay. How to get the volume? As this comes under as the fill depth of this filling will be 0 over here. Take the average of 2.3 and 0. Okay. It will be, on taking the average of the depth 2.3 plus 0 by 2 and substituting it into the area formula. And what we need to do? We need to substitute it into the area formula. How to substitute it into the area formula? We have already the formula over here. What it is? dW into B plus S into dW square. On substituting this value, what we will get is, let us substitute now 2.3 by 2 into 10 plus, okay, what it is? Cutting. It comes under filling. From filling we are going to the cutting, right? So, it comes under filling. For filling it is 1.5 into 2.3 by 2 whole square, 2.3 by 2 whole square. On substituting this value, we will get the area. On multiplying area with length, we will get the volume. On solving this value, we will get it around 13.48. Okay. So, substitute that value over here 13.48. Okay. So, we will get the volume 13.48 into 17.2. We will get the volume as 231.8 meter cube, approximately 231.8 meter cube. Similarly, over here remaining, here the length becomes 30 minus 172 17.2. So, the length will be 12.8 over here. For our last station, that is 300, we have 12.8 length over here. Okay. So, the depth is again 0 and 1.7. Okay. If we substitute it into the area formula, we will get the area around, how much area will get it? 1.7, again substitute that over here, 1.7, 0 plus 1.7 we have, right? 1.7 by 2 into 10 plus here again we have B into cutting. So, S is 1 into 1.7 by 2 whole square, 1.7 by 2 whole square. So, it is how much? The area is 9.2 meter square, approximate area is 9.2 meter square. On multiplying 9.2 with 12.8, we will get the value 9.2 into 12.8. So, it will be approximately 117.76 meter cube. This is nothing but to get the values of volume in cutting and filling. For the same, what we can draw? We can draw the longitudinal section, okay, based on this. As in the question, they have not asked about the longitudinal section. I am not drawing it, but mostly when you are doing it on pen and paper, you can easily draw the longitudinal section. I hope you people have understood this problem. If you have any doubts, please you can come and consult me and you can clarify your doubts, and do post your attendance in the comment section. Please post your complete hall ticket number. Okay, thank you.